Okay, in the meeting that the Prime Minister has just held with Chief Ministers, Narendra Modi has stressed that netas, politicians should not try to exercise their VIP privilege and jump the queue to take the vaccines for themselves and their families. They should take the vaccine when their turn comes. No dadagiri, no netagiri, no VIP racism or privilege. Don't try and be the netas that citizens hate. Be a good, humble neta. Wait your turn in the queue and take the vaccine when your turn comes. Our National Affairs editor Rahul Srivastav is with me for more on this. Rahul, a very important message given that, this is one of those things where if you've got a certain amount of power, leverage or privilege, it's probably likely that people will jump the queue.
Shiv, I think the Prime Minister has indicated that he is extremely aware of the VVIP culture and all the ills that it brings when it comes to exercises like these or others. Now, there has been a definite amount of scramble as far as the VVIPs is concerned. There have been concerns cited by various officials during meetings which have happened as far as the backup preparations are concerned, that there could well be a scramble among politicians and the top bureaucrats in the country when it comes to the vaccination. And especially, Shiv, at the time when the government's first concern is how to get the vaccination to the frontline workers. That is the moment which will perhaps test the mechanism the best. Primarily because the experiences in terms of the IT networking, in terms of the portals, and how from the manufacturing point to the vaccinating arm, that entire exercise, how it works, will get tested here. And after that, the 50 years and beyond, as the Prime Minister has said. And that is why it's extremely crucial that there is no VVIP element involved in this, or there is no scramble among people who belong to the power lobbies and power systems, that may create a gap as far as the first exercise is concerned, and that delay will have a cascading, precipitating impact on the later exercises. Remember, once the vaccine comes in, the government knows that there might be a high sense of apprehension that when exactly is the common man going to get it. That can even have a political impact. That is why the Prime Minister has warned. Prime Minister has also warned of the fact that it's a large exercise, and in the initial part, 2.5 crore, and then on others will be added. There are also some concerns by the states regarding the IT platforms, and also there are rumors floating around regarding the vaccines. All these were addressed by the Prime Minister in the meeting, and in fact he took a political dig by citing that how good India's effort as far as creating 2 emergency vaccines is concerned. And he had said that while people were taking a dig at him, that India is sleeping while other nations are already vaccinating. Perhaps, Shiv, this meeting could set the benchmark as far as how exactly India is going to roll out the vaccination exercise from January 16th.
Very interesting. I also want to bring in India Today's Kumar Abhishek, who happens to be personally participating in phase 3 of the clinical trials of the Bharat Biotech Covaxin vaccine. He's received the 2nd dose of the COVID-19 vaccine on Saturday.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.